Good luck, Echo.
What's your name? Can you say hello? How about hi?
These parrots are talking, singing, even doing comedy on people and laughing at them. But if you try to think a little bit deep, they are chatting. I mean, no other animals can talk, but parrots chatting like human. Do they have any different kinds of technologies? I mean, natural technologies, techniques, whatever. We human want to believe parrots can talk. It's no secret that parrots are among the animal kingdom's most chatty animals. They can mimic other birds' calls, and some species can even copy human speech well enough to form full-on sentences. Parrots do use imitations to communicate. It's a little different from actual speech.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
The birds use copied verbalizations with the humans and each other. Copying the call of another bird seems to be a great way to get its attention. Also, when you live in a flock with up to 100 other birds and they are all wearing the same colors, knowing how to imitate the birds you most want to talk to can be a handy way to find their in crowd. You even call it a kind of naming. Each parrot's name becomes the sounds it makes. So imitating the sounds is calling the parrot's name. Like humans, they have really complex brain with a lot more neurons than most animals their size. A parrot's brain has about as many neurons as some primates do. And like humans, parrots are also very social animals. They are playing with each other well into adulthood. I get pretty chatty about starting a party. But that doesn't necessarily tell us how much of human speech they understand. Yeah, they're great at mimicking a saying words, but it's been less clear whether or not they understand is what those words mean. This is pretty similar to how you train any other animals by rewarding the behavior you want to see. But when researchers have worked with gray parrots, though they found that these birds can learn to understand words and even develop the ability to link words together to make phrases. Whoa! Meaning gray parrots understanding context behind this. But what if you compare parrots with monkey? I mean, monkey has strikingly similar vocal structure to human. But despite all the similarities, they can speak. So here's a question. Compared to monkey, birds are nothing like us. Then how birds are talking? Birds don't have lips, don't have any teeth. Their nose is totally different from ours. But they do have something we don't. They actually have a different kinds of voice box. Voice box? Yeah, every talkative animals have a sound box and neck called voice box. Voice boxes in humans is called larynx that contains vocal folds that vibrates when air flows to produce sound. And our mouth shape that every single sound in words. That's why I'm saying that birds don't have lips, don't have teeth. So how they shape that word? So the bird's voice box's name is syrinx. They control the muscles on the walls of the voice box and the shape to produce sound. I mean, birds are totally dependent on their voice box. But what if we have to make all animals chatter? Like cartoon movies, some real human movies, I mean monkey policeman, peacock singer. For these kinds of moments, we humans have actually this kinds of one another method that I want to human have to make all the animals speakable for sharing their emotions. Yeah, it felt a little bit beautiful to me. By the way, if you want to share your emotions, then please comment in the comment box. I love your comments. I don't need a like, I don't need a subscribe. I only need your comment because your comments describe that you were invested your time for something learning better for your life, your biology, your mentality. Try to interact with this. If you're sharing something, your inner voice with me, think about that a little bit. You will get amazing results. Thank you. Bye bye.